And then this is our living area here. Huge sectional sofa here. Plenty of room for TV. This is set up for a wall mount TV. This is just staged right now by setting the space. Thank you very much. Again, you could have a 98-inch TV there if you wanted. And you'd be able to see that from the kitchen as you're working. All right, welcome to our latest ADU build here. We're in 26 Quail Run in Plymouth. This is a 900 square foot ADU on top of a 2-car garage. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. The price range for this unit is between $410,000 and $440,000, and that is site work dependent. We really need to understand your site to be able to give you an accurate price, but just to give you a budget range for this build. Come on inside. This is a 2-car garage under, as I stated earlier. 9-foot ceilings here on this 2-car garage under. That was at the owner's request, and it also was necessary due to the grade and the pitch on this yard. We do have the laundry room down here separate with the water heater as well. It does preserve some square footage upstairs that we wouldn't necessarily have. So come on upstairs. So I've just come up the stairs from the garage under. Now we're in the living area. We have our first primary bedroom here on the right, coming up the stairs. To give you a perspective, this is a queen size bed for this bedroom. As you can see, you have plenty of room for nightstands and a nice bureau. You also could have a TV on the wall there. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Really gives you some volume to the space. Oversized windows. 6-foot closet here. Again, a lit closet, has its own light switch so you can see what you're getting. This is our second bedroom, again off the hallway. Again, queen size bed, lots of room for furniture. This is a 4-foot closet with a built-in. This was the customer's request. I really love it. It's gonna be part of our standard plan when we build this garage under. Again, 2 huge oversized windows, 9-foot ceilings, lots of light. This is the bathroom. This was customized for the owners. They did request a tub shower unit, so that's why it was built this way. All of our units are customized the way you want to build it. This is your house. We just help you get and build your dream. Huge linen closet in here. Again, lit. This is 6 feet wide, 16 inches deep, lots of storage. And then this is our living area here. Huge sectional sofa here. Plenty of room for TV. This is set up for a wall mount TV. This is just staged right now by setting the space. Thank you very much. Again, you could have a 98-inch TV there if you wanted. And you'd be able to see that from the kitchen as you're working. Huge kitchen, lots of cabinets, full-size island. This island could have been bigger. They chose not to make it that big. It could have come out to here easily. So you could easily have 3 to 4 stools here. It was their choice not to do that. Everything's customized the way the customer wants to build it. Full-size fridge, full-size dishwasher, full-size range, microwave. The microwave is vented to the outside, very important. Again, light on the closet. And this is set up as a pantry unit for the kitchen, but this could have easily been a coat closet. Then you have your second means of egress out to a small porch. This could be a covered deck. It could be a farmer's porch. Totally customized the way you want to build it. Hope to see you at a home tour. Check us out at BuildX.com. That's buildwithanx.com. Click on the home tours link. It'll always tell you where we're at. We'll probably be showing about 14 different models this year. And remember, just build, baby.